Today we're making these delicious and healthy oatmeal raisin cookie granola bars. First, you're going to grease and line a 9x7-inch pan and set that aside. In a bowl, you're going to take your rolled oats, whole wheat flour, cinnamon, salt, and then you're going to mix it all together. In another bowl, you're going to take your sugar, some coconut oil, and this is the one that I used, peanut butter, and honey. And you're going to mix all of this together. And once that comes together, you're going to go ahead and pour it over your dry ingredients. And mix it till you have a uniform batter. Then you're going to pour in your raisins. You can also add in some chocolate chips or nuts at this point. And then you're going to mix them in. Once that is done, you're going to transfer the mixture in your pan. Then spread it evenly with your fingers and press it so that everything is firm in its place. And then you're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it's done baking, you're going to let it cool completely. You can even refrigerate it for a while if you want it to harden, but I went ahead and sliced it. So you're going to run a knife at the sides, and then remove it from your pan. And then go ahead and slice them however big or small you want them to be. I cut about 12 slices. You can see how delicious they look. The raisins are so juicy and plump, and the bar in itself is chewy and nutty. And the oats give them such a nice texture. If you love oatmeal raisin cookies, or if you love cookies in general, you definitely need to try these. So go into your kitchen and fetch all the ingredients and start baking. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked the recipe, and make sure to check out my channel and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with new recipes, and I will see you soon. Bye!